Kiroko kio muthi nirio cira wa Babu Owino ugutuithanagio wa kana ni abatie kurekererio na bodi ni igoti thutha wake kugumirwo ni thitango cia kugeria kuraga mutukania wa nyimbo uria ni Felix Orinda na njira ya kumuratha ngingo. No cira uyu wamba kurugamio kwa ihinda thutha wa rumiriri yake aria makwambite kambija wa igoti kwambiriria inegene. Agitua itua ria kana ni abatie kurekererio thutha wa igoti gucokereria, mucirithania Francis Andanyi ni athite Babu Owino kuriha mbeca baribari milioni 10 na iria kuriha kwa ihinda ria mieri ina yukite.
I was convinced that there were compelling reasons to decline bond for the accused person. I will give that a second thought, and given the exceptional circumstances obtaining in this case, I will allow the accused person to be released on bond for purposes of taking care of the welfare of the victim.
Undu wa mwanya wigi itua riri ni ati mbeca ici iria ririhaga milioni 2.5 o rita ikuhuthika kuriha marihi ma thibitari ma Felix Orinda iria igatigara aricio cia kumurugamirira igoti-ini.
This money will be used to offset the medical bills incurred by the victim while admitted to hospital. The hospital bills incurred to be presented to court for settlement from the deposited sum after every 21 days for the period the victim will be admitted to hospital.
Babu Owino no athitwo ni igoti kwaga gwikuruhania na uhuthiri wa dawa ngananie ona kana njohi.
The prosecution is at liberty at any time to ask for a review of the bond terms set or ask for cancellation of the bond bail altogether.
Family ya Orinda ni guikiti ihoya mubunge uyu ndakarekererio makiuga muturire wa mwana wao waya gukorwo hatikaini noho guthoga aira a cira uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.